Hi everyone, AudiSportExpert.ca. This is Shahan. Another quick review on a 21 Audi Q7. Here we have the Daytona Gray Pearl Effect on the Progressive Q7 21 here with the black optics, so you can see that the grille is blacked out there. The window surroundings are also blacked out. And it has the upgraded 21-inch wheels. So we're just gonna take a look around and take a look at this beautiful car here in Daytona Gray Pearl Effect, metallic. And then take a quick look on the inside as soon as I unlock it. There we go. And you can see here you have the virtual cockpit display. Dual touch screens on that push start button. It's got the 360 camera, heated and ventilated seats, so they're perforated here on that. You also have the wood grain inlays that are standard interior on there. Comes standard with the S-Line exterior badging, sunroof, third row seats, which we'll get to in a second. Here we go, and you can take a look at the price point here. So this one goes out at $85,000. 3-row seating, you can see. Now to get to the third row, flip that down. Push here, pull up, and let that slide like that. All right, then from here, you just press on these buttons to lift. On there. And then to put this back down, fold that. Unlock here, and then you can recline it to wherever you want it. Okay. 4-zone climate control as well. Take a look at the back. New lighting package in the rear as well. Blacked out tailpipes. That completes our quick little review on the 21 Q7 in Daytona Gray Pearl Effect. Hope you enjoy it. It's just a quick little review. Thanks for coming down.